Stop paying bloated monthly fees for autoresponders that punish you for growing your list. If you are tired of subscriber caps and staring at a blank screen trying to write emails, listen up. Welcome back to App Verdict. Today we are looking at AI Mailer. My honest take, it is a massive money saver for any affiliate marketer or agency, but you need to know the one catch before you buy. I will reveal exactly what that is in a second. AI Mailer is a cloud-based platform that lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for a one-time fee. It is built for new and veteran affiliate marketers who want to escape the monthly bills from tools like AWeber and Mailchimp. But it does more than just hold your list. It has a built-in AI assistant. This solves the biggest problem most beginners face, which is not knowing how to write copy that actually sells. The AI generates your subject lines and email body in seconds.
Hello and welcome to AI Mailer, the AI-powered email marketing platform that lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited lists and subscribers. AI Mailer replaces expensive autoresponders, per-subscriber pricing, costly copywriters, and complicated campaign builders with one intelligent email engine. There are no monthly fees. Pay once and use it forever. Now let's log in and see how it works. First, I'll create a list. I'll enter the list name, set it to active, add a short audience purpose, and enter the sender name, sender email, and reply to email. That's it. Our list is ready. This is the list dashboard where we can view subscriber activity, campaign performance, and analytics. Under Messages, we can create, schedule, send, and manage drafts, broadcasts, sent emails, and split tests. The Email Template Manager includes a drag-and-drop builder for responsive emails, plus a template library and theme marketplace. Next is Automation. Here we can build follow-up journeys using triggers, emails, delays, conditions, tags, branches, and webhooks. Under Subscribers, we can manage unlimited lists and subscribers with no per-subscriber charges. Contacts can be added manually or imported in bulk using a CSV file. We can also search, filter, tag, and organize them. Pages and Forms lets us create landing pages, AI sign-up forms, and regular forms that add leads to the correct list. Under List Options, we can update settings, sender details, tags, and custom fields. Tags organize subscribers by interest or activity, while custom fields store extra information. Report shows contacts, campaigns, delivery rates, opens, clicks, complaints, unsubscribes, and activity over time. Tracking shows subscriber actions, while deliverability helps monitor bounces, authentication, and sending health. Integrations lets us connect AI Mailer with CRMs, apps, and external tools to sync contacts and trigger workflows. The AI Marketing Assistant can create campaigns, automations, segments, forms, and reports using simple instructions. It prepares the steps and asks for approval before sensitive actions. Finally, under Sending Servers, we can connect SMTP, Amazon SES, Mailgun, or SendGrid. Domains lets us authenticate our sending domain, while Sender Identities controls the sender name, email, and reply to address. And that is AI Mailer. One complete platform to create, automate, send, and grow with no monthly fees or per-subscriber charges.
Let us jump into the dashboard. When you log in, there is no confusing learning curve. Instead, you see a simple chat box. You can just type, "Schedule a promo to my buyers list for 9 a.m. tomorrow," and the AI does it. You can import your existing lists using a basic CSV file. Now here is the honest catch I mentioned earlier. AI Mailer is a dashboard, not a standalone server. To actually deliver your emails, you have to connect your own SMTP service, like Amazon SES, Mailgun, or SendGrid. But this is actually a good thing. Amazon SES costs about 10 cents for every 1,000 emails you send. It's incredibly cheap, and it keeps your delivery rates high.
Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because I'm about to show you why smart marketers are quietly walking away from their expensive autoresponders and how they're now sending unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers. And more importantly, how you can run your entire email marketing business from a simple chat box. With 0 monthly fees, over the past few years, something frustrating has been happening. Email marketing, the highest ROI channel on earth, has been getting more and more expensive. Not because it stopped working, but because the tools kept charging you more. More subscribers, more money, bigger list, bigger bill. And every single month, it never stops. So why does email still beat everything else? Because email isn't just another channel. It's the one audience you actually own. It lands directly in the inbox, and it returns $36 for every $1 you spend. That's the highest ROI of any marketing channel, which is exactly why marketers rely on it, agencies rely on it, and businesses rely on it. Everyone comes back to email because when you compare the results, the difference is obvious. Email gives you more opens, more clicks, more trust, and more sales, which means more profit for you. But here's the problem. To send email at any real scale, you usually have to pay monthly. $30 a month for a small list, $100 or more a month as it grows, even $300 or more a month for high volume sending. And it never stops. Every new subscriber, every upgrade, more money. And on top of that, you still have to write every email yourself. You still have to guess the best time to send, and you still have to hope it doesn't land in spam. So even though email is powerful, actually using it fully becomes expensive and exhausting. That's why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something simpler, something much more powerful. Introducing AWeber, an AI-powered email marketing platform that gives you unlimited lists, subscribers, and campaigns, AI that writes your emails for you, and smart send time optimization on every single send. All from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another autoresponder. This is your complete email marketing command center. Here's what happens after you activate AWeber. You log in, you import your list or build a fresh one in minutes, and then you just tell the AI what you want. And instantly, AWeber writes your subject lines and email copy, builds your segments, checks deliverability before it sends, and mails every subscriber at their best open time. Promos, newsletters, follow-up sequences, and broadcasts in seconds, which means no blank page copywriting, no per subscriber fees, and no guessing, no spam folder, and no limits, just results. And here's where it gets even better. AWeber isn't just fast, it's smart, built for higher open rates, human-like, high-converting copy, and inbox-first deliverability. So your emails don't just go out faster, they perform better, better opens, better clicks, better conversions. And yes, it's beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed, no copywriting experience, and no complicated setup. If you can type, you can run AWeber. Now, let's talk about the price. Normally, to send email at this scale, you'd be paying every single month forever. But today, you don't have to. With AWeber, you get everything with a simple one-time payment, no subscriptions, no per subscriber fees, and no recurring bills. Just activate it once, and it's yours. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it, mail your list with it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So now, the decision is yours. Do you keep paying monthly for limited, per subscriber autoresponders? Or do you unlock unlimited AI-powered email in one place? If you're ready to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers, let AI write your campaigns for you. Escape monthly, per contact email bills, boost your opens, clicks, and sales, And finally, use email at its full potential. Then click the button below, activate AI Mailer, and unlock the most powerful email engine available today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress, just powerful AI email working for you. Your move starts now.
The front end of AI Mailer is a one-time payment of just $14.95. There are a few optional upgrades if you want to scale faster. OTO1 is the unlimited version, which gives you priority sending and removes any hidden backend limits. OTO2 is the Done For You package. This gives you over 100 pre-written campaigns and 50 email sequences. I highly recommend OTO2 if you want to start making affiliate commissions immediately. And before I forget, check the description below because I have 2 exclusive discount codes for you. At checkout, use code MailerRacks to get 35% off the entire funnel, or use code MAILER5 to get $5 off instantly. To make this an absolute no-brainer, if you grab AI Mailer through my link in the description, I am giving you 10 exclusive bonuses to help you build your list and drive traffic. Bonus 1 is Lead Book Generator. This tool automatically pulls leads from Facebook straight into your new email list. Bonus 2 is WP Email Timer Plus. This lets you put countdown timers inside your emails to force people to buy before the timer hits 0. Bonus 3 is Email List Secrets, a full step-by-step guide on building a profitable list from scratch. Bonus 4 is 2-Step Opt-in Generator. This will dramatically boost the number of people who actually sign up for your pages. Bonus 5 is Email Profits Formula. This shows you the exact strategy to get massive clicks and sales from your subscribers. Bonus 6 is Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. This tool finds hidden, low-competition keywords so you can get free buyers from Google. Bonus 7 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed, a complete training on how to get highly targeted visitors for less than a penny. Bonus 8 is Promo Video Secrets. You'll learn how to make short, punchy videos that sell affiliate products fast. Bonus 9 is Lead Generation Authority. This guide shows you how to scale your lead capture and build a massive audience. And Bonus 10 is 100 ready-made niche blogs. This gives you instant digital real estate to start capturing emails and driving search engine traffic immediately. I put these bonuses together because they solve the traffic and lead generation problems that AI Mailer leaves behind. AI Mailer is the smartest way to own your email marketing assets without renting them month to month, but you have to act fast. The $14.95 price tag is only available during this launch week. After the timer on the sales page hits 0, it turns into a monthly subscription. Plus, my 10 custom bonuses are strictly limited to the first 50 buyers. Once 50 people buy through my link, those bonuses will be removed automatically. Click the first link in the description right now to secure your lifetime copy of AI Mailer and claim all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. Once you complete your purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you directly inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest software reviews. See you in the next one.